I'm Xavier Valentini. I'm head of data and analytics at Delhaize. So data and analytics is a team basically delivering data products and also delivering the data strategy and the data vision for the whole company of Delhaize Belgium. Delhaize Belgium and Luxembourg is part of a bigger group, which is Ahold Delhaize. The group of Ahold Delhaize is present in Europe, but also in the US and in Indonesia. In Belgium, we have approximately 24% of market share on the grocery retail market. We've been working with Bearing Point for a project of more than 2 years. The whole idea of the project was to implement a data governance framework and make the whole change towards this data management, how to make data central in the company, how to make sure that we have the right data, that we have correct data, that we have accessible data for everyone in the company. We've seen a growing importance of data at Delhaize. More and more people want to use data, more and more people are making decisions based on data, but we also see the growing importance of artificial intelligence. More and more people want to use artificial intelligence, but if you want to make decisions based on data, if you want to use artificial intelligence, you need to make sure that you have the right data management. You need to make sure that you have the right data. You can put any kind of AI. If the data is not correct, the outcome of the AI won't be correct. The support of Bearing Point was really end-to-end on the project, from the foundational elements to the daily follow-up of the project. I think it also came naturally. Bearing Point has also a deep business knowledge, and that really helped to basically translate concepts that might be not easy to understand for business people, to translate them into something which is highly understandable by business people. So I think this knowledge and this ability to translate complex things into simple things really helped in the collaboration with the business. And I must also say that the proximity with the business and also the friendliness of Bearing Point team also helped in the collaboration with the business. The main outcome of the project that we had with Bearing Point, we managed to build this framework, which first seemed a bit theoretical, but now we see with the whole evolution that we are taking with the company and with the needs from the business to have the right data directly available, we see that we can use and reuse again and again the framework that has been put in place and which is understood by the whole company. But we also see now that delivering value with data also requires this framework, and the more we deliver data to the business, the more we need to use the framework, the more we need to use the outcome of the project that we had with Bearing Point. I would be definitely willing to work again with Bearing Point on any new project that we might have, or any extension of the project that we had together. But giving recommendation and recommending Bearing Point to other grocery retail companies, I would definitely do so. Again, as I explained, I believe that the combination of really technical expertise, data expertise, but also deep understanding of the business of the grocery retail is something key. It's a kind of unique combination that Bearing Point can provide to companies like Delhaize. Yeah, in conclusion, I believe Bearing Point is an easy to work with company, and it was great for us to have this collaboration.